Hey, what's up guys, Fahed Zaman here. In this video I am going to show you how to scan a document with your phone, and after scanning the document you can also edit the text and even translate the text. So just suppose you received a printed copy of a document and you want to edit it. Well, that's possible with DocScanner OCR. You can find this app on App Store by searching DocScanner OCR text scanner. Simply install it. I have already installed it, so I will just click on open. The link of this app is also available in the video description. So here is the main interface of this software. It is the most powerful document scanning app. It scans unlimited documents and save them as PDF files. In addition, it can edit and translate the text. So to scan the document, here is a camera button on the bottom of the screen. When you are ready to scan your document, fill up the screen with the document as much as you can and tap the capture button. After you scan the document, a preview of it will immediately appear. Hold and drag on the dots to change the area that is scanned and uploaded. Once finished, click on next. So this is what it looks like after this scan. Now you can also edit the text. You can type anything or delete the unwanted text. So now if you want to translate the text, click on translate. So now it's translated to English, but I want to try it to another language. Click on that, and here are many languages as you can see right here. I will just click on Spanish. As you can see, it's translated in just a few seconds. So if you want, you can also share it directly from here. Click on share. As you can see, you can share text file, Word, PDF and original pic. And you can also save it to your device. So this is not the only feature which you can use. At the top you can see image recognition, form recognition, image to word converting, import image and import PDF file. And it's really cool features to have. And let's try image to word converting. So let's take a picture and just crop it and click on next. It will identify the text and save it in Word or Excel. You can simply share it from here. At the last, you can also upload your image or PDF. So after uploading, you can have a preview of them. After that, you can edit the text. You can translate the text. Or make a photo collage for text recognition. After that you can share or export it. It is really a helpful app when you want to convert your resume, iBooks, notepad files to Word or Excel. The app is free to download, but you can upgrade to a premium to enjoy the full features of the app. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.